Lindy Guernsey, and today we're gonna move on to the second part of the design process for coming up with a problem that's in your community. So, last week we already looked at interviewing some people and gaining perspective on problems that exist in your community or another one, but now we got to make that next step and define a problem. So, for this, definitely go back to those notes last week and look especially at those things that you highlighted, because they're things that multiple people thought were issues. So, they could be great ones to look at tackling, or if for whatever reason you have lots of issues, which is a great problem to have, we're going to need to narrow it down to one for now. You can remember those other ones maybe to come back to later, but for now we need to define a single issue. So, if you have that problem with just tons of ideas, kind of make a list with them all and then do like pros and cons with them. These are like the reasons I would choose this idea, and these are the reasons maybe it's not the best one. And then, just whatever you feel like, choose that problem. Especially look for problems you're more interested in, because that'll make it more fun for you. If turns out you had some great interviews, but all of the problems are like, I could not research this, I could not look at this problem anymore, then the solution for you is just think of another problem off the top of your head and then go chat with someone about it, FaceTime, in person, whatever, and gain perspective on it and just take a few notes when you chat with them. So, by the end of this assignment, you should have defined a single problem, and I want that problem to be submitted if you went the route to choose a problem you hadn't found before in your empathize, listening in your community assignment, then also submit a few notes from the chat you had to gain perspective on your new problem. Have a good day.